Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
FIDE वर्ल्ड कप 2025चे गोंयांत आयोजन जाला. 23 वर्सांनी FIDE भारतांत टुर्नामेंटांत 206 खेळगडे भागीदार जाल्यात. तशेंच FIDEन सेंच्युरी पुराय केल्या.
Goa stands as a truly befitting venue for the Chess World Cup. India's growing role as a host to major international sporting events continues and augurs well for both India and the world.
This tournament also reflects India's growing strength as a global sporting hub. Under the vision of leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, India is building the world-class sports infrastructure and giving the new opportunities to young talent. To all the players, welcome to Goa, welcome to India. Enjoy this experience, make friends, share knowledge and take home the memories of Goa.
India is not just the ancient home of chess, not just the motherland of chess, but one of the greatest modern powerhouses of the chess in the world.
India is sending a clear message to the world. We are not leading only in technology, economy and defense. We are also leading in the field of sports.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकोळीकर.